Good morning, everybody. Today, I will write the question answer of grasshopper and the ant. Okay. Grasshopper and the ant. Last day, I have taught you the story. Grasshopper was very lazy. If you want to write, please open your copy and write that. So, here the grasshopper is very lazy. He was singing and playing the whole summer, and he was taking the warmth of the sunshine in the summer. But at the same time, the ant was too much hardworking. And here, ant was working for whole summer. She stored the food, and not only that, she stored food, also in the summer, in the winter, when the winter came, at that time, grasshopper did not find one tiniest grain or tiniest worm. Then he went to the ant. He was thinking the ant was very kind and he was neighbor, so he was asking food from the ant. But ant did not give any food because he was very much hardworking and he worked and stored food for the winter. How did he give? If he gave food to grasshopper, he also will not live. So he slammed the door. Okay? Sorry, not he. She slammed the door. Okay, now Shrestha, it's very okay. You have joined that in 2 pine. Shudeshna also has today joined in 2 oak. So Shudeshna should also join in 2 pine. You are now in 2 pine. So first question, how did the grasshopper spend his days? Number 1, how did... Okay, I am fine. Upasha, everybody, every day I am talking to you in the class. You are joining that. Very good. So how did the grasshopper spend his days? So the grasshopper spent his days by singing and playing in the sunshine. In the sunshine. So again I am telling that the grasshopper spent his day by singing and playing in the sunshine. Did the grasshopper find any food in winter? So he did not find any food in winter. Singing only, not dancing. Okay, singing and playing in the... You can write, no problem. So, here again I am telling the grasshopper spent his days by singing and playing in the sunshine. So question number 2. Did the grasshopper find food in winter? So here I am rubbing that and I am just rubbing the questions. This is answer number 1. This is question number 2. Did the grasshopper find any food in winter? The grasshopper did not find any food in winter. So, did not find any food in winter. Did the grasshopper find food in winter? So, no. You can write also no. The grasshopper did not find any food in winter. So, next, question number 3. What did the ant tell the grasshopper when he asked the food? So, I am just telling that again. What did the ant tell the grasshopper when he asked? Question number 1, I am just rubbing. So, question number 3. What did the ant tell What did the ant tell the grasshopper when he asked for food? So we can write here, when the grasshopper asked food, when the grasshopper asked food, to ant, she replied that why he did not store, for that question number 2 I am rubbing, that why he did not store food in summer. He should store food for winter. And after that, she closed the door. And did not give any food. Only after that she closed the door and did not help him. So question number 3, again I am just telling, when the grasshopper asked food to ant, she replied that why he did not store food in summer and he should store food for winter. After that, she closed the door and did not help him. So please write the answer and also learn that, because if you are not learning this year, next year also your habit will be gone. So please try to learn and read the book thoroughly, okay? Read the book thoroughly. So here, page number 169, circle the words. Let's talk 3 questions are there. If you asked to store things for the winter, what would you store? Name 3 things. Actually, winter before that, also our western country, they are not getting some foods or some things because there was snowing. But in our country, in winter, we are getting so much fresh vegetables, fruits, all these things. But if you are thinking you can store some things for winter, you can write. Next, which season do you like the best? That is your thing, please write. And tell the class the story of the grasshopper and ant in your own language. And next, circle the words that mean the same. Speak, talk. Speak and talk same. Shout also. Sometimes we can speak loudly. Then, complete, finish. Start is not that. Complete and finish, that is similar. Small and thin. Small, thin, little. Small and little, same little bit meaning. Chic and ill, not stout. Stout means strong. Big and large, but not fat. Then, page number 170, we can go. When you hear winter and summer, what are the words you came to the mind? Please write in your own words. I am telling that, please remember and write in page number 170. Winter scarf, that cap, woolen cap, sweater, muffler, socks. Summer, cotton dress, ice cream, fresh fruits. And also you can write the drinking water, cold water. Next, page number 171. You will search the words. Page number 171. Here you can see that some words and also the numbers are there. You have to search from there. Camera is mute. No. Camera is mute. How can you tell that? Oh, who has muted me? You cannot listen. Okay, someone mute your microphone. Okay. So please. Loudly means very loud. No, loudly means not very loud. Loudly, actually, this is an adverb. Okay. Okay, sorry, beta, I did not see the chart. Okay, tell me the question number 1. Answer number 1. Answer number 1, I have already written. Susan, you did not write. Again, I am telling that answer number 1 is that how did the grasshopper spend his days? The grasshopper spent his days by playing, singing, all this. Okay. Did the grasshopper find food in winter? That also I have written. The grasshopper did not find any food in winter. And told the grasshopper when he asked for the food. The grasshopper, when he asked for the food, when the grasshopper asked food to ant, she replied that why he did not store food in summer and he should store food for winter. After that she closed the door and did not help him. Next I told the winter time, they are telling that winter time some things you should store, but in our winter time, in our places, winter is very comfortable. So we are getting fresh vegetables, fresh fruits. We are not storing some things, but please you can think that how can you store, or what things can you store? Then after that, what is the best season? Next also they are telling that some circle the words, page number 169, speak and talk. I told speak and talk, same words, but shout means speak loudly. Complete and finish, that is same, but start is not like this. Small and little, not thin. Sick and ill. Stout means strong. Big and large, not fat. The same words I have told. And here, okay, Shrestha, I have seen that best season is winter. Because winter is mild here. Winter is comfortable here. When you hear winter and summer, winter, what are you? Page number 170. Please go to the 170. Winter, what you are using? Scarf, sweater, woolen cap, and also socks. Sweaters, woolen scarf, sock, and cap also. Then summer, cotton dress, ice cream, cold water, fresh vegetables and fruits. Next, page number 171, some words are there. You can see that words. Words means actually, here some page number 171, that the grasshopper eats worms. First one, because 24, you can see the G, 15, R, 23, that is your work. 170 and 171, please do in your house, because I have told you, you can write it. Then we can go to the page number 172. Two pictures are there. One picture, they have written 4 sentences. Lady is cycling, a man is running, 2 girls are playing, a dog is sleeping. Another picture I can write. Another picture, the man is sleeping, the man is sleeping. That is page number 172. 2 girls are skipping. Skipping. 2 girls are skipping. Then a woman is cutting grass. Then next, a dog is drinking water. Dog is drinking water. Dog is drinking water. So these 4 lines please write in page number 172. Then 173, some practice works are there. Please write this. And now if you are having any problem, please tell me any problem. Ojosik Biswas, Protyushna Dotto, Purbayan Mondal, Reza Khatun, Ritushri Shai, Samriddho Mondal, Saptarshi Malik, Saptarshi Kundu, Shrestha Ghosh, Firoz Haq, Mohammad Wasim, Somagni De, Suzanne Parvin, Upasya Dolui. So please, those who are present, write P. And if you are having also any problem, please tell me. Please tell me if you are having any problem. Ojosik final syllabus, okay, I'll give, no problem for that. I think website you will get. Okay, website you will get the syllabus. Ojosik, are you not listening to me? English project I have given, I think December, before December I have given, now I cannot tell. I'll not tell. Okay. Okay, thank you, beta. Have a nice day. Side, please. Okay, Saptarshi, please. Again, I am telling, ma'am, the man is sleeping, girls are skipping, the woman is cutting grass, a dog is drinking water. Okay, bye.